everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to insert 3D models in Microsoft's PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and then go to the Insert ribbon. When you go to the Insert ribbon, click 3D models. Now it will say, please wait while we load 3D models. In 3D models, there are two types. There are the animated ones and there are the normal ones. We will wait until it loads. So everybody, it has loaded. So we have the three animated ones. The other ones are not animated. These are the all animated models, like the T-Rex, and these are the animated animals, and these are the animated models for education. Also the all animated models. So we will wait. Now you can see that we have lots of 3D models. This is the heart. These are the balloons. I don't know what is this. Maybe it's a piece of wood dragging over something. This is a windmill. This is a dinosaur, and this is a bee. These are lots of animals. There are lots of animals and creatures in lots. We'll try one of them. Let's try this T-Rex. I think the T-Rex is the best one. We'll try the other ones soon, like the rhinoceros and the shark. We can insert lots of stuff. You just have to select. I'll insert these three because I love them. I will click insert. Now it's inserting the 3D models. 1 of 3. I can cancel it from here. So what if I didn't want those ones? So I can just cancel it. So we will wait for it now. So I have inserted only this T-Rex. Now you can see he's really animated now. Look, he's whacking his tail. Roar, roar, roar. He's funny. So let's edit him. First, I have a new ribbon here. It edits the 3D model. Now here you can play and pause the animation. Here you can change the scene. Now I set a scene to I can press no, so he doesn't have any animation. I just like it. As default is scene 1, but I gotta try this. And this is like scene 3. Just looking around. Ah! Wow, wow, wow! That's a big T-Rex. Ah! Wow, that's a good scene. Ooh, let's try scene 5. With scene 5, he looks around. He looks around for food. He's gonna eat us. Oh, don't worry, everybody. So, let's try scene 4. Oh, this is the best to me. The best one. Now here I can change the view. Here's a good view. You can see him from here. And this view. And this view. It has lots of views. Like this one. Whacking his tail. So these are my favorite things about 3D models. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you again.